on no lure by my side, nobody can change my prophecy. I like the way I'm feeling now.
Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome back to my channel, or should I say welcome back to another vlog. So as you can see, I'm sitting pretty with my nails. I don't know if you guys like my nails. Anyways, I'm obsessed. So if you see me going like this the whole time in this vlog, you know, sometimes you have to like manifest things into your life. For those that watched my New Year's resolution video, I'll leave a link up here. I said I wanted to travel to 2 different countries, and guess what? This is my second country I'm visiting this year, and I'm super excited. Anyways, it is a school trip, so it is really sponsored by the school, booked, paid, and all I have to do is go and learn and chill. If you are wondering where I'm going or where we are going, I should use we. So yes, we are on our way to Spain, Valencia, for a week to learn about the Spanish culture and learn the language. But for me, it's like a mini vacay. Okay, so I'm all packed. I'm just waiting to go to the bus station, into the train station, and to the airport. So I'll catch you guys later. If you are here, you already know we are best friends. So bestie, help me get just one subscriber today. Like my video, leave a lovely comment, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, share my videos. All right, let's get into the vlog. Hi guys, so we are currently in a train heading to the airport. Yeah, so far so good. Except for, do you know that feeling when you can't sleep before vacation and during the entire process you feel so sleepy? That is my situation right now. But that can happen. You're going somewhere. Anyways, I'll see you guys at the airport. So guys, we made it to the airport. I think our flight is in like an hour, but I came earlier so that I can create content for Instagram, maybe Snapchat, and maybe TikTok. And so yeah, I'm going to look for the Starbucks. I'm supposed to meet at the Starbucks and basically create content and wait. Good morning from Valencia, Spain. Okay, so as you can see, I'm all fly. We are about to step out, and can you hear me over the noise? Okay, so today is officially day 1 of Valencia, and today we are going to do a bunch of activities. I'm excited for today's itinerary, so let's do this. I hope you like my style. Today I am feeling myself. We are going to bike and have dinner and lunch. Super excited. We just ate breakfast. So let's get into the day. So as you guys can see, we were touring a couple of places, and at a given moment each student had to be like a kind of tour guide, and so we had to research and work on that and give the class a tour of Valencia basically. We also had a tour of this church, but at the time the monks were praying and I decided not to film them but enjoy the background music. So we stopped here and I grasped the opportunity to take Instagram photos because the place was looking so cute. Okay, I couldn't just go without taking photos. So we are currently in the city of Art and Science, and today's itinerary we are just biking and touring Valencia. So far we visited a couple of parks and a couple of museums, and so far so good. It's been fun. We're just vibing and chilling, and the weather is blessing us. You know, it's not too hot and it's not too cold. So I'll keep updating you guys. It got a little warmer and I decided to get horchata. Horchata is like a rice drink made with cinnamon and other spices, and it tastes really good. If you're ever in Spain, make sure to try horchata. Welcome back once again. So yeah, after the bicycle tour we had Spanish lessons for about 3 hours, and now we have free time, and so we split up in groups and split up once again. I wanted to get something at Popeyes because I am very intrigued that there's Popeyes in Spain, and we don't have anything like that sort in the Netherlands. So I'm really excited to try it for the first time, trying Popeyes for the first time. I have high expectations because I know people hold Popeyes in high esteem. Let me know, is the Popeyes in Spain the same as that in America? You know. Anyways, I've got my ticket and I'm waiting for my mail. And so I'll catch you all, and I'm going to definitely leave my review on it.
Hey yo, outfit check.
So this restaurant sells really delicious pasta and pizza, and I really enjoyed their starters. I really like chicken, so it was good. And I had pasta. The photo is on my Instagram, and also tag them. So if you want to ever visit this restaurant when you're in Valencia, check out my Instagram. can see, this is the end of day 1. That was it for like today. So as you can see, we are done for the day. I'll see you on day 2.